Following the successful workshop with David Marquet in January this year in Auckland, I'm delighted to announce that next month, March the 13th, we have Peter Rushen, Chief Exec of Intent-Based Leadership International, who alongside me will be presenting the principles and practices of intent-based leadership and how to apply them. Many people are aware of David's story on the USS Santa Fe. Millions have watched his video on YouTube, and his book, Turn the Ship Around, is a bestseller, 10 years old now, believe it or not. 4 years ago, he wrote Leadership is Language, that was published exactly 4 years ago. And shortly after that, I approached David and his team and asked if I could be part of their movement. I've brought this to New Zealand and would be delighted to see you at the workshop on March the 13th. One of the lessons we'll learn is about rapid decision making and not to lose out. The last workshop we ran sold out in about a week, and I'm sure this will be the same. There was a wait list from the last workshop and some of those have already entered. We've only got 25 slots because it's important to me that we make this a focused, intimate workshop where we can share our stories and learn together. So, your call to action is to check the link below or contact me. The early bird price of only $1,000 applies this week only until March the 1st, and the workshop itself is in Auckland on the 13th of March. It'll be delightful to see you there. Thank you.